If you want to making your own e-commerce website under 10 minutes, this video only for you. On this video I will tell you what the process we use on the video. Only 10 minutes we can make completely one e-commerce website with payment gateway, SEO responsive website with mobile responsive, 100% mobile responsive. So right now we use WordPress, and so many people have a question why we using the technology of WordPress. So if you have a question, I tell you before starting the video, all over world 43% website are available on WordPress. So don't worry about that. If you want to learn, you can learn WordPress. If you want to start your startup, you can use WordPress WooCommerce. So, and also I request, if you need any premium service, just call on this number, and you can text me also, email and WhatsApp. So thank you. Let's go to my screen and let's start the video. So now you can check this is my WordPress admin panel. So let me upload my theme. Just go to add new. So then you can find the theme file. Also, if you not have this xstore premium theme, I also provide my Telegram link. You can join on this Telegram. I will provide the theme file. So if you have money, you can purchase the theme. This is awesome theme. So let me go through. So upload the theme, choose file. I already restore. Okay, export child theme. Not need to upload the child theme. So let me upload the main file. If you want to know about what the difference between child theme and main theme, this is the very simple method. And main theme you get everyday update, but on child theme you not get everyday update, because if you want to customization work, then you can use child theme. Otherwise this is fine for using main file. So let me active the theme. My hosting provider so much good SiteGround, but if you are available in India, you can purchase hosting. So let me first active the plugin section. The following requirement plugin currently. So also I get the plugin file, so don't worry about that. So let me go to plugin installer. So we have so much of plugin. So first, before we start, just let me click install all the plugin. So just click install. Okay, one by one. So extrude core are not failed, this theme are failed. So if the theme not installed, we already have the theme file. Okay, so let me upload the theme file. So go to the theme section, go to the plugin section, just click add new. So this is upload plugin. So choose file. So just go to back, download extrude theme. So this is the plugin section. You can check all the plugin are available here. If I need any plugin, I direct install here. So I choose one by one. So open now. So install now. One by one we can install every plugin. Let me make the video faster. So now you can check my all theme are already installed. So now the time we need to choose the demo file. So many people have a question why I using the demo. So before I upload the demo, I tell you something. The demo file are very much particular things are used. That's why we need to use the demo, because so many are researchers people are researching about demo. That's why they provide the demo file. So if you using demo file, it's not worry about that. So you can use any demo, and you can modify also, because this is completely Elementor. So let me go through the theme file, then we start uploading the demo. So plugin imported demo. So here I have the option plugin installer, because we already installed all the plugins, so I do not think it's have any problem. So here also have the option install, but we already installed. But I think the extrude core are not updated, and AMP, but all the plugin are already activated, but I don't know why this is showing not activated. So forget about that. Just go to the import demo, click import demo. So we have so many of options about the demo. If you want to make it, this have a option Elementor and WP Bakery, but I am using Elementor, that's why I am using Elementor. So here have so many of option. So now I think I like that option. Okay, so let me preview the designing. This is so much a beautiful option. We can choose any design, but after if you not have this type of product, you cannot choose this. So let me choose this one. This is a book website. So I think we need to choose any fashion website, any type of website you can choose. So many of option. This is the problem. If you get so many options, then you are confused. So I like that option as well, but I think we need to use electronics. Let me import the in recommended to run import to press WordPress install. You can use WordPress database reset plugin. Okay, it's fine. Let me click next. Extra child. This theme provide create a child theme for you. That's fine. But I think skip this time. It's okay. Let me click next. So but we have a problem. We get the option xstore core WooCommerce slide resolution. So let me activate all the plugin first. So WooCommerce completely free plugin, but I don't know about the xstore core. But we also have the file. If this file not working, then we can upload. So now you can check xstore are completely activated, and site resolution I already installed it, and WooCommerce already activated. This is completely free plugin. Don't worry about that. So now you can check. We have the so many of option which page you want full. So I think we need full demo. We not have a time to design the website, so we need full demo. We can modify the image, so the importing speed also good. If you want to making your own e-commerce premium e-commerce website design, and if you want to hiring some developer, I also provide my number. You can call me anytime, you can text me. Also I provide my Gmail ID, and you can see my screen right now. I pop up the email ID and mobile number. Also I provide my freelancing profile, website profile. You can. So now you can check my completely theme installation completed. So demo we also updated. So let me check the completely home page, how it's look like. Also I tell you how the process we need to use before any website. So now you can check. This is the demo I use. So this is a awesome website. We already made this website only 10 minutes. So this is a fine situation if you are using the demo file. Also this you can see the add to cart option. Let me try add to cart and go to the checkout. So let me go to the checkout, and we need to decide it for the checkout design. Yes, this is completely fine. If you want to change the checkout, also have the option. So I told you 2 to 3 things. This is important for you. The header footer all are easy things you need to change. Header footer and the page section, contact us section. So many have a page. So here have the all the option. You can check here SEO expert. SEO you also upload the SEO. You can use any SEO page. So let me go through that one. So let me open again. Then I will tell you how we can modify the page. So here have the option, edit option. Just here you can see check the footer. Electronics and newsletter electronics. So here is the all the option. So let me click the above one. This is the user header, like header footer option. So I am clicking the Elementor. That's why I want to change the complete page. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me on my LinkedIn post. So also I provide my LinkedIn and Instagram. So I have every social media account. That's why I will provide all the link. So here have the option. You can change the product. After you uploading the product, just here come here and choose the style and the category. Then you can check the product as well. So you can check here if you want to change the text, anything. Here have the option. This is slider resolution. You can modify through this slider resolution. So here the text, if you want to change the text also here. So this is the product option. If you want to change, here have the option. So many option you get here. And I also told you the main importance thing before any website you can starting. So this is the important thing you need to remember. Go to setting and click permalink. You need to check where the permalink are accepted. Just here need to always click the post name, otherwise your website are nonsense if you not click any permalink, because here have the option only plain. So this is not working properly, SEO and visibility. So this need to click post name. So and secondary option we need to click for registration for everyone. I told you what the process. So now you need to click anyone can register and as a customer, so need to save changes. Also, if you want to change the language, it's easy process. So I think you people are like this complete video. This is a complete e-commerce website. Also I show you what the mobile view. So let me open the website, and this is completely responsible as well. So if you want to checking the speed also, this is awesome speed. So now you can check the mobile view. Need to some customization also, because we not choose a good demo. That's why I think this is not look more beautiful, but the product page and everything are fine. So if you want to making your own e-commerce website and business website, any type of any kind of website, I also provide my number. You can call me, you can text me. Thank you so much.